Good day. Today we will be looking at deriving using the first principle. So it is very important to note that as per the first principle formula, f prime of x is equals to the limit as h approaches 0 for f of x plus h minus f of x, everything divided by h. So when you are given f of x equals to, suppose we have 2x squared plus 3x, we need to first find, as per the formula, find f of x plus h. So now we will just find f of x plus h, because it's now f of x plus h, meaning wherever there was x initially, we will use x plus h. So you're just going to substitute 2, there's x here, what are we going to put? X plus h squared plus 3x plus h. So wherever there's x, we're putting in x plus h. So let's simplify this x plus h. We'll first simplify the bracket. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared. This is just the derivative as per quadratic polynomial. Plus 3x plus h. We leave this for now. And now the full simplified f of x plus h will be 2x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus h. We then move on, going back to the equation f of prime of x. Just going to write it this side. F of prime of x will be equals to the limit as h approaches 0 for f of x plus h minus, so we're going to have to put f of x, everything divided by h. So we're just going to substitute what is f of x plus h to the formula. We've already found x plus f of x plus h. We found it to be 2x squared minus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus h. So that will be minus f of x, which is 2x squared plus 3x. Everything is divided by h. It is very important to note that at this step we need to remove the brackets for f of x. So we still have f of x plus h, which is 2x squared minus 2xh plus h squared. No, sorry, it's plus here, plus 3x plus h minus negative times 2x squared is 2x squared, negative times positive 3x is negative 3x. Everything divided by the h. So the next step, it's very important to note here that everything that came from f of x will cancel. So you have minus 2 cancelling, minus 2x squared cancelling this 2x squared. You have plus 3x cancelling the negative 3x. And also note that everything that is remaining on the numerator contains the letter h. We have 2xh here, 2xh we have plus the h squared here, so it's 3xh. We have the h squared, then we have 3h, everything divided by h. So now it's looking nice and beautiful. We can now factorize the common factor h. We still have the limit f of prime of x is equals to the limit as h of x approaches 0. So let's take the common factor here. H, we left with 2x plus h squared plus 3. Everything divided by the letter h here. So f prime of x is equals to the limit as h approaches 0. So now, as we have the common factor here, we can see that the h on top can cancel the h at the bottom. So we can go ahead and cancel those two. It's now looking very nice for us to move on. Remember, the main aim was to remove the h so that if we put in the 0, we do not divide by the 0. Sorry, here we've taken the x out, the h out, so there's no square. So now f prime of x is equals to the limit. Oh no, remember, we do not write the limit once we substitute the value of h. So 2x plus h is 0 plus 3. Okay, now it's looking very nice. It's looking very beautiful. 2x plus 3 is the f of prime of x. Well, if this does not blow your mind, you have no emotions.